To inspect and replace the drive belt on your Polaris Expedition XP or ADV, follow these steps.
Drive belt maintenance should only be performed after the vehicle has completely cooled. Park the vehicle on a flat level surface. Ensure it is in park, and remove the key. Next, lift the cargo box lever and pivot the box up. Then, thoroughly clean all debris from the debris basket at the front of the engine area. On the ADV model, remove the engine access cover to clean the basket. Next, loosen the air duct clamp under the airbox. Then, loosen the air duct clamp on the drive belt cover and remove the hose from the vehicle. On XP models, the gas shock and lower mount will need to be removed to ease access to the belt cover. Begin by removing the upper gas shock clevis pin. Then, remove the lower gas shock clevis pin and remove the gas shock from the vehicle. Next, remove the two lower gas shock mount fasteners. Continue by removing the lower mount from the vehicle. Next, loosen the 14 clutch cover fasteners. Do not remove the fasteners from the cover. Then, pull the cover out and pivot the rear of the cover up to maneuver it out from the vehicle. Inspect the cover seal on the clutch housing for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Before continuing, take note of the drive belt direction of rotation. The belt must be installed in the same direction if reusing. Next, insert the clutch spreader tool into the threaded hole on the driven clutch and turn clockwise to spread the clutch. If the tool does not turn readily, rotate the driven clutch an additional 1/4 of a turn counterclockwise and try again. Then, carefully walk the belt off the driven clutch and remove from the drive clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if needed. Next, clean out the inside of the clutch covers thoroughly, and ensure any debris wrapped around the PVT and in the entire clutch air duct passage is removed. Any sign of oil leaks indicates that debris may be trapped behind the clutches. A mobile device can be used to see behind the clutches. If replacing the belt, ensure the part number on the belt is facing outwards when installed. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. Then, remove the clutch spreader tool from the driven clutch. Continue by rotating the driven clutch clockwise 5 to 7 times to help seat the belt on the sheaves. Next, clean the inside of the clutch cover. Then, reinstall the clutch cover by pivoting in and aligning the mounting holes. Continue by ensuring the cover seal hasn't shifted out of its groove. Then, reinstall the 14 cover fasteners and torque to specification. On XP models, align the lower gas shock mount with the mounting holes on the frame. Then, reinstall the 2 shock mount fasteners and torque to specification. Continue by aligning the gas shock rod with the lower mount and reinstall the clevis pin from the driver's side. Then, align the gas shock tube with the upper mount and reinstall the clevis pin from the driver's side. Next, reinstall the air duct onto the drive belt cover. Then, reinstall the air duct cover onto the intake under the airbox. Continue by torquing the air duct clamps to specification. Finally, pivot the cargo box down and ensure the latch is secure. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.